Our health headlines this morning. Researchers found hearing aids could help those who use them live longer. A new study found the risk of premature death dropped by nearly 25% for hearing aid users. Globally, only about a tenth of those suffering from hearing loss have hearing aids. And this research could help highlight their benefits and encourage more use.
Well, we all know we should be brushing our teeth at least twice a day, but this morning dentists are saying that there's some instances when we shouldn't brush. Dentists say don't use the toothbrush right after eating breakfast, vomiting, or chomping on sweets. Doing so could destroy teeth enamel. Dentists recommend waiting about an hour before grabbing the brush and toothpaste.
Well, we learn something new every day.
Yeah.
Anyways. Yeah.
A surge in flu and COVID-19 cases causing some hospitals nationwide to bring back mask mandates. According to the CDC, the number of people hospitalized with COVID has risen for 7 straight weeks and at least 30,000 new admissions last week.
ABC's Tim Pulliam has the latest on what you can do to stay safe.
Hospitals on alert as flu season ramps up. At least 31 states and Washington, D.C. experiencing high or very high levels of respiratory illnesses.
3 major winter respiratory viruses, flu, COVID, and RSV, are out there spreading, making people sick. We should not underestimate them. They're really quite nasty.
The CDC estimating 4,500 people nationwide have died from the flu this season. And with a growing number of people admitted to the hospital, about 30,000 COVID hospitalizations just last week, some hospital systems in at least 8 states are returning to indoor masking. Among them, California, Wisconsin, Illinois, North Carolina, Philadelphia, and New York. People are being encouraged to stay home if they're sick and get vaccinated, especially children and older adults.
If you get sick, it's really important, particularly if you're a senior, to get tested and get treatment. That is really something that could save their life and certainly save them from going to the hospital.
CDC says vaccinations are down this season, with only 44% of adults getting their flu shot before Christmas. And since early December, only 19% of them getting their updated COVID-19 vaccine.
There may be some relief soon, as some healthcare experts believe flu and COVID-19 cases may peak by the end of this month. And our coverage of health news can also be found at WQAD.com. Head to our website and you'll find Your Health in the search bar at the top of the page. In fact, you can find all of our Your Health stories in that section of WQAD.com.